The new Zojirushi Mycom rice cooker and warmer is packed with features and is ideal for couples and small families. This rice cooker uses a 2.5mm thick black inner pan for even heat distribution, with non-stick coating that makes it easy to clean. Its compact size allows you to make as little as half a cup of rice or grains. And new healthy menu options make cooking brown rice, quinoa, and steel-cut oatmeal stress-free. When cooking has completed, an optional melody signal will alert you. The Mycom rice cooker and warmer uses a microcomputer with advanced fuzzy logic technology that makes fine adjustments to cooking time and temperature to ensure perfect results every time. A triple heater, including an extra-large heating element, heats and warms the rice from the bottom, sides, and the top. A removable steam vent cap allows for high-temperature cooking without messy overflows. The washable inner lid is detachable for convenience, and all surfaces that come into contact with your food are BPA-free. Along with these great features, the removable power cord and sturdy fold-down handle make this machine simple to transport and store. Accessories include a spatula and measuring cup. The Zojirushi Mycom rice cooker and warmer is a superbly designed machine that provides lasting performance. Zojirushi, inspirations from everyday life.
Tiger's JAXT multifunction Mycom rice cooker cooks much more than rice. Available in a 5.5 cup size or 10 cup size, prepare your favorite main dish and rice simultaneously. With the innovated to-cook plate, rice cooks on the bottom while a main dish steams conveniently on top without intermingling flavors. Choose from 10 settings to prepare a variety of dishes, meat, fish, or veggies, and different types of rice, white, brown, jasmine, and more. Just plug in the JAXT multifunction Mycom rice cooker, select a menu, and start cooking with no need to use the stove or oven. Easily prepare full, healthy meals with endless possibilities that are both fun and convenient. When you're done, the JAXT multifunction Mycom rice cooker cleans up in a snap. Just wipe it off with a sponge, then pat dry, and that's all there is to it. Let's look at the operation panel, where you will find the Keep Warm lamp, the Keep Warm cancel button, timer key, timer lamp, menu key, display which shows the menu cursor and present time, etc., hour and minute keys, start key, and start lamp. We've even included the following accessories: a spatula, ladle, cooking plate, measuring cup, and cookbook. Some of the menu options and features include plain synchro cooking. Select this option when cooking white rice and when using the cooking plate to cook rice and side dishes together. The quick setting for use when cooking white rice quickly. The porridge setting, used for making porridge. The mixed sweet setting, used for cooking seasoned rice or steamed glutinous rice. The brown setting for cooking brown or multigrain rice. The multigrain setting for use when cooking multigrain rice like barley, foxtail millet, barnyard millet, black rice, or red rice together with white rice. To cook rice, fill the measuring cup level and even with the top. A level measuring cup equals about 0.18 liters or 3/4 of a cup. Always use the amount of rice specified in this chart for best results. Now wash the rice in water below 95 degrees Fahrenheit until the water runs clear. Then place the pot on a level surface. Now add water to the appropriate level on the scale inscribed in the pot. Then wipe off any water on the outer surface and brim of the pot. Next, wipe off any water or grains found in the cooker itself, paying special attention to the lid and gasket, heating plate, center sensor, upper casing, and open lock button. Now place the pot in the rice cooker and close the lid. If the Keep Warm lamp is on, press Cancel to turn off the lamp. Now press the menu key to select the desired setting. Then press the Start button and cooking will begin. Once the final steaming process begins, the remaining time will display and count down in 1-minute increments. When cooking is complete, an alarm will sound and the keep warm function will automatically engage. Be sure to stir and loosen the rice when cooking completes. Also, be sure to wipe off any hot water that collects on the upper casing or outside the rice cooker when you open the lid after cooking. When you're done using the rice cooker, press the Keep Warm Cancel button to turn off. You can use the cooking plate to cook side dishes described in the supplied cookbook at the same time as you cook rice. You can also add water to the inner pot and cook side dishes without making rice. Begin by preparing the ingredients and place them in the cooking plate. Next, make the necessary preparations for cooking rice. Now, place the cooking plate in the rice cooker and close the lid. Then use the menu key to select plain synchro cooking. Now press the start key. When cooking is complete, an alarm will sound and keep warm mode will activate. Then remove the cooking plate and stir the rice to loosen it. When you're done using the rice cooker, press the Keep Warm Cancel button to turn off the unit. The rice cooker has a slow cooking feature that brings food to near boiling, then gradually lowers the temperature to simmer. Flavors are enhanced and liquids do not boil down over time. Begin by preparing the ingredients, then add them to the inner pot. Be sure to reference the plain scale on the inner pot. Then close the lid. Next, use the menu key to select Slow Cook. Now use the hour and minute keys to set the desired cooking time. Next, press the Start key. When cooking is complete, an alarm will sound and Keep Warm mode will activate. Enjoy the best in health and convenience for you and your family. Tiger, healthy, balanced, better.
Zojirushi introduces its newest small-capacity rice cooker, the 3-cup Mycom rice cooker and warmer. Its small capacity is ideal for singles, couples, and smaller families. This compact and stylish brushed stainless steel rice cooker can become a beautiful addition to the kitchen of anyone who loves rice. Making delicious rice is stress-free with this versatile rice cooker. The micro-computerized fuzzy logic technology, or Mycom, prepares different types of grains to perfection every time, even for as little as half a cup of rice. Measure the amount of rice you want to cook using the included measuring cup, which measures slightly under a standard US cup size. Level off the rice to measure the precise amount you want to cook. Pour the rice into the inner cooking pan. Gently wash the rice in this rinse OK non-stick inner cooking pan and drain. Repeat this process until the water is clear. Fill the pan with water up to the line that matches the amount of rice you are cooking. The high contrast water level lines have been enhanced for visibility, making it easy for you to fill to your mark. In this case, we are cooking 2 cups of white rice. Insert the pan into the rice cooker and close the outer lid. The rice cooker is now ready to get to work. The machine's microcomputer efficiently controls cooking time and temperature for a variety of rice, ensuring that rice is always cooked to perfection. This model features menu settings, such as white or mixed rice, quick cooking, sushi rice, porridge, brown rice, and 2 newly added settings. The GABA brown rice setting soaks the brown rice at 104 degrees for 2 hours before cooking for enhanced nutrition. The Jasmine white rice setting allows you to cook jasmine rice fluffy with separate grains. Additionally, the machine's triple heaters heat the rice from the bottom, sides, and the lid for even cooking. Once the rice is cooked, the rice cooker automatically switches to keep warm. And the reheat function can quickly heat your rice back to the perfect serving temperature. The machine also features a clock and delay timer function. You can set the time when cooking should be completed on this easy-to-read LCD control panel. The detachable inner lid and the inner cooking pan are fully washable, making cleanup easy and simple. Plus, the retractable power cord and sturdy handle make this machine easy to transport and store. Accessories include a rice spatula, spatula holder, and a measuring cup. With superior technology, design, and performance, this 3-cup Mycom rice cooker and warmer will make your rice cooking experience easy and pleasant every time with its outstanding performance. Zojirushi, inspirations from everyday life. The Neuro Fuzzy rice cooker and warmer is one of Zojirushi's best-selling rice cookers and is the perfect addition to any kitchen. The rice cooker is available in a 5.5 or 10-cup size. Both sizes include advanced features to cook delicious rice and a variety of healthy grains with no stress. The Neuro Fuzzy microcomputer allows the rice cooker to think for itself. It makes fine adjustments to cooking time and temperature according to the type of grain and its amount to ensure it is cooked perfectly every time. To prepare rice, open the rice cooker and remove the inner cooking pan. Measure the amount of rice you want to cook with the included measuring cup, leveling off each cup. Use the clear cup for white, brown, semi-brown, and sweet rice. Use the green cup for rinse-free rice. Both cups are slightly smaller than a standard US measuring cup. Pour water and gently wash the rice in the scratch-resistant, rinse-okay, non-stick inner cooking pan. Drain and repeat this process until the water runs clear. Fill the pan with water up to the line that matches the amount of rice you're cooking. The high-contrast water-level lines have been enhanced for visibility, making it easy for you to fill to your mark. In this case, we are cooking 4 cups of white rice. Place the inner cooking pan back into the rice cooker and close the lid. Select the type of rice to be cooked. You can select from regular or sushi white rice, softer white rice, harder white rice, quick cooking, mixed rice, porridge, sweet rice, semi-brown rice, or brown rice from the easy-to-read LCD control panel. For rinse-free rice, press the Pre-Washed button before making your menu selection. Press the Cooking button and let the rice cooker do its job. The triple heaters inside the rice cooker heat the rice from the bottom, sides, and the top, cooking the rice evenly. This machine also features a clock and delay timer function with 2 programmable memory settings. Set the timer up to 13 hours in the future for rice that's ready when you want it. Once the rice is cooked, the rice cooker automatically switches to Keep Warm mode. The cooked rice can be kept warm for up to 12 hours. The Neuro Fuzzy rice cooker and warmer also features an extended Keep Warm mode, which keeps the rice warm at a lower temperature for an additional 8 hours. The reheat cycle quickly brings rice back to serving temperature. The Stay Cool side handles on the inner cooking pan allows for quick and easy transporting of hot, delicious rice. The detachable inner lid and the inner cooking pan are fully washable, and the exterior can be wiped down for easy cleaning. Plus, the retractable power cord and sturdy handle make this machine easy to transport and store. Accessories include a rice spatula, spatula holder, a regular rice measuring cup, and a rinse-free rice measuring cup. The Zojirushi Neuro Fuzzy rice cooker and warmer is made in Japan with an eye towards superior technology, design, and performance. Zojirushi, inspirations from everyday life.